In this video, I'm going to show you how to motion track a face in CapCut on your computer. So you can see right here that I have this video of this person walking, and I'm going to show you how we can go and motion track the face. Now, the first thing we need to do is just go and click on text in the top navigation, and then you need to drag your text onto the timeline like this. Now go and click on the default text, and we're just going to delete this and type in a full stop. You then need to come over to the font size, and we're just going to make this a bit bigger. You can then go and reposition this dot just so it's in the very center of the video like so. Now we're going to be using this as a reference point for the center of our video. So now all we need to do is go and resize this text layer so it fits the full width of the video. You can then move your playhead to the very beginning of the video, select your video clip like so, and then click on the Add Keyframe button next to Transform. We're then going to move the playhead to the first point of the video that we want to start tracking. So I'm going to move mine a few frames forwards. We're then simply going to scale into the video like this. And then you can reposition the video to make sure the white dot is on the face like so. So as you can see, this white dot is now right in the middle of the face. So you need to keep moving the playhead as the face moves in your video, and you need to keep adjusting it to make sure the white dot is in the center. Now, as you can see in the timeline, this will start automatically creating keyframes. So we're just going to keep moving the playhead and keep repositioning the video, and you can basically do this all the way through your video like so. Now, once you've finished, you can just go and delete this text layer like so. You can then go and play your video back, and as you can see, it's now motion tracking the face. Now, there is another way that you can do this as well, however, it does require CapCut Pro. So all you need to do is go and select your video once again. You can then click on the video tab in the top navigation. You can then scroll down until you see an option for camera tracking and turn this on. It's going to say select an object to track, go and select the face, and it should automatically detect the face like so. You can then press start. And this is going to automatically track the face and automatically add keyframes to your video. Now, if the video is too shaky, you can go and reduce the shake like so. You can also select fit to canvas to make sure the video stays in frame. And this is basically the automatic way of tracking a face in CapCut.